Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new to my channel, especially those new applicants of 5-1 Talk, I warmly welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Christine, willing to help and guide you in your teaching journey at 5-1 Talk. In my previous video, guys, I talked about the 65 peak slot, which is of great advantage to the newly qualified teachers. And for today's video, guys, this is intended for the incoming and processing applicants of this platform because I will be discussing in detail the updated basic qualification and requirements of 5-1 Talk. So, tune in and finish this video. Okay, so aspiring teachers, before you decide to sign up for your application in 5-1 Talk, you must know the basic qualifications and requirements and make sure you understand the job that you are about to enter, because this is about teaching English to foreign kids, and you truly have to commit your heart and mind in teaching because it is a mission. If you completely have these basic qualifications and requirements, then it will only take you 3 to 5 days and you will already be launched as a 5-1 Talk teacher and start teaching and earn money at home. Okay, so before we'll start with basic qualification number 1, want me to be your reference person during your application, then just click on my referral link below. You can see that one in my description box, and I will surely guide you and assist you in your step-by-step process. You can just message me over Messenger or Skype account. And aside from that, I also have all my set of videos. Just click on the description box there. You can see less, show more, show less. So I have there all my tutorials, so just watch it out. But if you really want me to be your guide, then just click on the referral link below. Okay? So let's start with basic qualification number 1. You must be a bachelor's degree, meaning you finished at least 4-year course in college. Now, many are asking me about if pwede ba yung textbook graduate, associate graduate, junior and senior high school graduate. I'm so sorry, teachers. I'm so sorry, aspiring applicants. Kasi yun talaga yung number 1 basic qualification ni 5-1 Talk, yung bachelor's degree. Number 2, you must have the proficiency in speaking the English language with neutral accent. Okay, so even if you are not an education graduate and you don't have any teaching experience or even teaching background, you still can apply, provided that you are really good, you are excellent in English communication skills, most especially in your speech and pronunciation skills. This is not a question why they have that qualification, because eventually we will be called as English teachers, English as a second language teachers. So, kailangan talaga na fluent and excellent tayo dito. Or kahit satisfactory yung ating kakayanan as English teachers. Number 3, you must have a valid diploma or proof of graduation like your TOR or transcript of records or certificate of graduation from your college or university. Number 4, you must have an NBI clearance. Number 5, you must also have one government-issued ID. You will be submitting all those requirements in scanned copies and upload it later during your 3rd to 4th steps of your application process. Number 6, this is about your teaching schedules. If you will be hired in 5-1 Talk, you must be available to teach during peak hours. During Mondays to Fridays from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. During Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Those are the peak hours. So, those are the most suggested hours na dapat kang magturo. So, if you want to be in the platform, make sure that you can open 55 to 65 peak slots. Every slot is 25 minutes. That is equivalent to one class, yung 25 minutes. Okay, so those are all the 6 basic qualifications. Now, let's go to the technical requirements. Since all 5-1 Talk lessons are conducted one-on-one via virtual classroom, you also need to meet the following technical requirements. Number 1, a desktop or a laptop. So your desktop and your laptop should have an operating system of Windows 7 or above or Mac. The CPU of your laptop and desktop must have these following specifications because these are the most capable specs to run 5-1 Talk tools and applications. So, kung mayroon na kayong device, make sure talaga na pasok siya sa standard ni 5-1 Talk. Kasi many of the applicants na hindi talaga pumapasa sa tech check kasi nga sa device na kanilang available. So, mababa siya sa specs na required ni 5-1 Talk. So, ito yung latest or the updated specs. You can have any of the following. First, Intel Core 6th Gen or higher since 2015 and above. Pwede yung i3, i5, i7, or i9 with a RAM total physical memory of 4 gig. Clock rate of 1.8 gigahertz or above. Okay, so that's one. We also have, pwede rin ito teacher, AMD A-series, A8, 5700 and above, or AMD Ryzen series with a RAM total physical memory of 4 gig with clock rate of 2 gigahertz or above. So, yun yung ikalawa. Pwede rin itong ikatlo. Mac OS version 10.11 and above and 2012 model and above with 4 gig of RAM. And make sure that your hard disk must have 100 gig free space available. So if you're planning to buy your device, your laptop or your desktop, make sure to consider the specs na talagang pasok siya sa standard ng company. Number 2, you must have a headset with extended microphone and with noise cancelling features. This is important, teachers, kasi this would suppress the noise of the surrounding. Number 3, a high-definition HD camera. It can be external or integrated camera with a resolution of 720 pixels. Number 4, a wired DSL internet connection with at least 5 Mbps speed. LTE, USB sticks, and wireless connections are not allowed. Okay, so this is also very important na wired talaga yung ating internet connection kasi during tech check, madidetect rin yan ni tech check facilitator kung ano yung internet provider mo. Kasi pag run ng tech check tool, they could detect the IP address of your internet connection. So dapat talaga yung wired, yung stable na internet connection. Number 7, this is on the teaching environment. A quiet, clutter-free, and well-lit teaching space at home with plain white background. So, teaching space talaga is very important. Maganda yung lighting and then plain white background. Pero kung titignan nyo tong background ko sa Zoom at saka sa aking klase, hindi mo yan makikita yung yellow na yan. Yeah, pero if you can really provide a teaching space which is really white, manigurado na lang kayo na talagang white. Yes, you can see all my videos about it on the tech check. Okay, so if you all have those basic qualifications and requirements, then what are you waiting for? Sign up for your application and also consider me as one of your referral. You can just click my referral link below and I will surely guide you in your step-by-step process and get hired after 3 to 5 days. So, ganun lang talaga siya kadali, teachers. If kompleto ka talaga sa requirements, makakapag-start ka na. Process is not that easy, kaya kailangan nyo talaga ng guide. So, I am very willing to give you my guidance. Just make me as your referral. Okay? Okay, so that would be all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you sa pakikinig. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And you can also share these videos to others so they will know the qualifications and requirements as discussed in this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then click on the red subscribe button below and also hit on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I have new videos to upload. Kung mayroon kayong mga tanong, wag lang kayong mahihiya, just comment down below. Or you can message me over my messenger or over my Skype. And we can also be friends over Facebook. I have all there my details and my description box. Just check it out. And don't hesitate to reach out. Okay? So again, my thanks to all of you. Always smile and God bless everyone. Bye! See you again next time.